Hey.
What up, what up? What's up, guys? Back here on Patriana here behind the wheel on the way to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And right now we are currently driving in Penn Turnpike, which is one of the first super highway here in the U.S. And behind the camera is my beloved hubby, Remy.
Yo.
So yeah, guys, thank you so much, Pack Up and Go, for sponsoring today's video. So I set up my profile with Pack Up and Go, and then this is a surprise road trip. So they will notify you what to pack and the weather looks like for the trip, but you not knowing the destination up until the last minute. So after I set up my profile, I put in like, I'm an outdoor type, I'm a foodie, and I would really like to explore and just be adventurous. And yeah, once the profile is set up, a travel agent will set up everything for you, which is the best part. So you set up your budget and your duration. So the minimum I think is 3 days and 2 nights. And then when you set it up,
Gotta enter the tunnel.
But yeah, guys, we're about to heading into the Allegheny Mountain tunnel here. It looks so retro.
You move over, so you see that one in the back next to yes, those two. That's the mash tun. So you're taking your grains. So there are 4 ingredients in beer: water, hops, yeast, and malted barley. So that's where you're putting your grain.
Alright, which one are you trying? So that's the dessert.
Chocolate and this is the trail mix route now. Cheers.
Cheers. Lots of candied option here. Love it.
Very sour.
Alright, guys, so our second stop is the Penn Brewing. Look at behind this cool looking building. It's like a Gothic building.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's drink some beer.
There's our group.
Got my beer in order. This is the Saison, which is the lowest. I got my wheat, my Pilsner, and whatever the strongest one here, the IPA. All right, which one do you like?
The foamy one. IPA. I don't know what it's called. It's very bitter.
Alright, guys, we're doing the last stop of the brewery tour. So we're in the Allegheny City Brewing Company. I'm double fisting here, and this is with the wheat beer. Alright, so after this, we're gonna go grab dinner, and I'll show you what's up next. Cheers.
Hey, we're going to Primanti Bros. Look at that. No lines, no wait. Thank you. Yep. Ooh, look at that.
Alright, guys, we just ordered, and Remy got the 5 boneless wings with smoky barbecue, and I'm getting the Angus sirloin steak and cheese. And they do have happy hour from 9 to 11 on Saturday. Remy just got a smoky barbecue filled with chicken wings. How is it? Go, 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 go. Alright, guys, so all their sandwiches are served with fries and coleslaw. And we got the Angus sandwich. Bon appetit. Yes? Oh, hello. Come on in. Alright, guys, back at Patriana here. So we just got to our room here at the Kimpton Hotel in Pittsburgh. So it's right in the heart of downtown, near Penn Avenue, where all the bars and restaurants And yeah, so pack up and go pick up this hotel for us. And yeah, I'm definitely very impressed. Thank you guys. Really like it. All right, guys, room tour. Got this really cute wallpaper here. This is the toiletries brand. Okay, never heard of it before. Let's look at the tub here. This is my bathroom goal. Once I have a house, I'm gonna have the kind of bathroom. Look at the tub. And I brought my bed bombs. It's a creepy closet here. Look at that. But look at the wallpaper. It's so cute. A very funky looking couch. Stems from all over the world. The Par Avion. Huh. Got the bed here with the green. This is definitely very quirky, guys. So yeah, probably not for everyone's taste, but I like it myself. That's my favorite part, the birdcage chandelier. That's really nice. So another thing is I really like this oriental looking cabinet. Look at the lamp here. This is so cute with the houndstooth curtain. Definitely very interesting. All right, guys. So just gonna go over the pack up and go travel folder here. So this is what I love about using them, guys. So first of all, they're gonna list up all the pre-planned activities, and then they'll give you all the recommendation for breakfast, coffee, lunch, dinner, museums, parks, performance, everything. And they print it in this like nice paper here. And I just love it because everything is so detailed. And yeah, you don't even have to look things up, and you just follow along the list because they will pick the best recommendation according to your preferences. Alright guys, so on this trip, so we are currently in Pittsburgh, and Pack Up and Go printed up this rundown here. That's really, really cool. So just a quick history lesson about the Steel City. 300,000 residents and 446 bridges. I just feel yesterday when we were driving around, I don't know, we passed like probably like 20 bridges by then. I mean, it's really nice that they give like all the information here printed out, so you don't feel like a stranger in this new city. Like, since this is a road trip, they'll print out like activities. They'll take you from, we came from DC, and they give us a list of destinations that we can visit along the way to Pittsburgh and back. And this is the best part, guys. They let you know how to get around. We have a car since this is a road trip, but they also give us the recommendation for the buses, airport, Uber. And also, guys, so on our 2-day itinerary, we will be visiting the Pips Conservatory Garden. So we're gonna do that, and then we already have this pre-planned activity at the Mattress Factory, so that would be really cool. So I just heard a lot of good things about this cool art museum. And then later we're gonna grab dinner for Rami's birthday. Thank you, Pack Up and Go. This is amazing how you guys like pre-plan everything for us, and all the recommendations are very much appreciated. We are currently at the Pips Garden here in Pittsburgh. I don't know if I pronounce it Pips. All right, come follow me. Up next, the second building. I guess just got our first food here in Casa, celebrating Mr. Hendra's birthday.
Thank you, Pack Up and Go, for hooking us up with Caspa.
Casbah.
Yeah.
So Remy's having the Aperol Spritz, the rosé, the vodka with pear, apple, and other stuff. All right, birthday boy just got the saffron pappardelle, the lobster, fancy birthday boy.
What is it?
The orchetti with chicken with the cranberry on the side.
Bon appetit.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching our adventure here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with Pack Up and Go. Thank you so much for sponsoring this trip. Really appreciate it. And Remy too from behind the camera.
Happy birthday to me.
Oh yeah, happy birthday, Remy. Alright guys, don't forget to check them out. They are definitely the best travel planner. They work with your budget and they're gonna like do all the planning for you so you don't have to worry about it once you get to your destination. So definitely highly recommend it. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.